In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change microphone or speaker during a Zoom meeting. First, open Zoom. You can use the desktop app or go through your browser, whichever you prefer. Make sure any headset, USB mic, or Bluetooth device you want to use is already connected to your computer, so Zoom can recognize it right away. Next, join or start a Zoom meeting. You can enter a scheduled meeting, click a direct invite link, or start a new meeting yourself. Once you're in, give Zoom a second to connect to your computer audio. If you see a prompt to join with computer audio, go ahead and confirm it so your audio controls become active. Now look toward the bottom of your Zoom window. That's where the main toolbar lives. If you don't see it, move your mouse, and it should appear. We're focusing on the audio controls usually found on the far left. You'll see a microphone icon labeled mute or unmute depending on your current status. Click on Audio by using the small arrow next to the microphone icon. This arrow points up and opens the full audio menu. This is where you can quickly switch devices without leaving your meeting. From this menu, select a microphone. You'll see options like your built-in microphone, any USB microphones, or Bluetooth headsets that are connected. If you prefer your system's default device, you can choose the option that follows your computer's settings. For a clear voice, pick the mic closest to you and positioned away from fans or keyboard noise. Click the microphone you want to use. As soon as you select it, Zoom will switch over immediately. No restart required. Speak normally and watch for the input level indicator to bounce in the audio menu or next to your name when you unmute. If levels are low, try moving the mic closer or selecting a different device. You can also use the test speaker and microphone option in this same menu to confirm everything sounds right before you continue. While you're here, you can also change your speaker. In the same audio menu, choose the speaker or headset you want Zoom to play sound through. Pick your headphones for privacy or external speakers if you're sharing audio with the room. If you hear an echo, make sure only one device is acting as your speaker and that anyone nearby mutes their mic. That's it. Anytime during your meeting, use the arrow next to the microphone to quickly swap microphones or speakers and keep your audio clear and professional.